God damn. Time to plasma cut the Datsun. What is up, you guys? It's Jonathan here. We're gonna go ahead and plasma cut the rear. As you can see, it's very short. Probably max is like 245s could fit in the rear. So we're gonna go ahead and try and mini tub it. Probably not for now because I did not have time to go to a sheet metal shop because I got out of work. My boy Derek in the back over there, just stationary and shit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and plasma cut probably all around that wheel well, and then go ahead and cut this midsection because I am planning to install my Fab 9 rear end over there with the 4-link setup. So I gotta go ahead and cut this whole midsection and try to find a way how to put a steel pipe across and then try to get some brackets for the 4-link. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for later videos, but pretty much the plan is just to cut. So stay tuned. I'm inhaling fucking poison, bro. I'm gonna die soon. You know what I should do? Air out the tire, huh? You think that bitch is gonna pop?
Possibly, yeah.
Boom! We just fucked my shit up. Alright, where my feet are at, that's the wheel well. Where the wheel well's at, it's see-through. As you can see, there's a tire. And these are 195s, and wow, there's like no room for some small tires. Like 28 by something, slicks, which probably extend up to here. So this is why I'm cutting it to make a mini tub setup, because I need to push all of this out more. So I'm going to cut the floor a bit more too. Yeah, I might have to mess with the chassis too. It's like a U style chassis. It's not really a full-on like rectangular frame on body. Well, it is a frame on body, but as you can see right here, it's not really all the way around. It's just a U onto the body. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other side and then start cutting the midsection. This lighting though, man. Look at that. Both sides are off. Now, time to cut the midsection. And then I'm gonna take out the rear end, the leaf springs, and then cut all the way in the front. Start getting ready for some tubular chassis action and install my Fab 9 over there that you sort of see. And then I'm gonna be on pause again because I still gotta wait for the LS and the 4L80E. So in the meantime, I'm pretty much gonna do that, reinforce the chassis, and probably just slap on a Kirkley seat because it's $100 and I want to feel a little motivated and try to, see where I'm gonna be at. So yeah, man, close, almost there. You just cut this whole part and the other side too to lift it up, but turns out there's a piece of metal going across from here, so we're gonna wait on Derek to do that real quick. Look at that shit. Grinder? Okay, you guys, well, my friend Derek decided to go home because it's pretty late. Decided to get some Denny's, and I'm not going to continue on the car, but I am going to continue on trying to draw it out because this is where I'm at. We cutted the whole back area. don't worry, I did not do this hideous job in the back here. The last owner actually cut the freaking chassis to fit a gas can or gasoline tank from a 240, which is pretty stupid because the leaf spring, you know, holds the whole support of the leaf springs is right there and it could actually bend in. So I'm happy that I'm actually doing a swap, because if I just started up with a 240 engine and gas tank, yeah, I would have had a deadly accident. Anyways, going back to what I'm saying is that cut this whole area. The rear end's right there. As you can see, the Fab 9's back there. I haven't really shown you how it really looks like. We'll get back to that once, you know, in the future YouTube videos you start seeing how it actually looks like. But right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit off this area, and right here also the midsection, it's pretty unnecessary. And I'm gonna cut the chassis from here right over here. That's where I'm kind of thinking where I'm gonna cut it, as well as from the back, probably a little bit before that, that way I could do all the tubing. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and draw it out so you'll get a better idea of how I'm trying to picture it. But all this pretty much is gonna be gone, so it's gonna be see-through. The rear end's gonna be gone, leaf springs are gonna be gone, and I'm gonna go with the 4-link setup. So probably around here is gonna have the tubular setup, and then I'm gonna have to tube it from all the way back there. But like I said, I gotta draw it out. So that's for tomorrow, and I might show you guys a picture of how the drawing is gonna be. But tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some mild steel, 1 inch and 5/8. I did do some research for NHRA drag strip approvals. So it's either that or chromoly steel, which is also 1 and 5/8 by 0.83 thousandths of an inch. But that weighs 1 pound, and I have to order online. And mild steel weighs 2 pounds. But what I'm planning to do, the best thing for me to do is make mild steel in the back, because the back end is going to be really light compared to the front. So I'm going to try to even it out. It is going to put some weight, but I want as good amount of weight as to the front to make this stick on the ground, because you're looking at a 1,800 pound chassis right now, because I mean it's gutless right now. So maybe, you know, a couple pounds on the back, 2-pounder, 1 foot mild steel will actually increase some weight on the back. So I'm probably gonna look at maybe 2,500 pounds to 2,400 pounds on this chassis with the LS and 4L80E. So yeah, I'm planning to do chromoly steel in the front to keep it lighter, and then I'm gonna do mild steel in the back. So I like how that's going. You know, it's a good mix, and you know, evens it out hopefully. If not, then you know, I'll try to hook as much as possible. But yeah, for tomorrow I'm gonna pick up some mild steel hopefully and continue my project. Hopefully it goes well. Catch you guys tomorrow.